If you're on the hunt for a tough, reliable watch that can keep up with your active lifestyle, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, DW5600UE1V. First up is the Casio G-Shock DW5600UE1V. This watch caught my eye with its classic design and a price of just $77.83. If you want a durable watch that's as reliable as it is stylish, this is worth a serious look. This watch comes packed with features that cater to your active lifestyle. With its shock resistance and water resistance up to 660 feet, you can take it diving or wear it during your workouts without a worry. The quartz digital movement ensures accuracy within plus 15 seconds per month, so you won't be late for anything important. Plus, the multi-function alarm and 100-second stopwatch are perfect for timing your workouts or setting reminders throughout the day. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're someone who values functionality in a stylish package, this watch delivers in spades. Now, some people complained about the somewhat basic design. Here's the thing though, many G-Shock fans appreciate its simplicity and functionality over flashy aesthetics. It's perfect if you're looking for something that's practical and doesn't scream for attention. This is perfect for you if you need a solid, no-frills watch for everyday use. Skip this one if you're after something with a lot of bells and whistles, but honestly, for the price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if the simplicity of the DW5600UE1V isn't your style, this next one could be exactly what you're looking for. Product number 2, GA 2100 Series. Next up is the GA 2100 Series watch, priced at $127.25. What caught my attention here is the blend of a rugged design with a lightweight feel. If you want a watch that's both tough and easy to wear, this one's worth considering. The analog digital display, paired with a double LED light feature, means you can easily check the time in any lighting conditions. Here's why this matters for you. If you often find yourself outdoors or in low-light settings, this watch ensures visibility without adding extra weight to your wrist. However, some users noted that the analog hands can occasionally obstruct the digital display. Here's the thing, it might be a minor inconvenience for some, but if you prioritize the features over a perfect display, you'll likely find this watch more than satisfying. This is great for you if you're looking for a stylish watch that transitions from casual to formal settings. Skip this one if you need a purely digital display, as that might be a deal breaker for you. Overall, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something with solar power. Product number 3, GWM5610U1. Now let's talk about the G-Shock GWM5610U1, retailing at $154.57. The standout feature here, its tough solar power capability, which I found genuinely impressive. If you're tired of changing batteries constantly, this watch is worth your attention. Here's why this matters. If you're active and often on the go, having a watch that can handle your lifestyle while staying charged is crucial. On the downside, users mention that the auto light feature doesn't function well when the battery is low, which could be frustrating. But here's the thing, if you're mindful about keeping it charged, it'll serve you well for years to come. This watch is perfect if you want a solar-powered option that's rugged enough for outdoor adventures. Skip this if you prefer a watch with more traditional features and aesthetics. For the value and functionality, it's a strong contender. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more classic design but still packed with features, the next watch might be your pick. Product number 4, DW6901V. Next is the men's G-Shock DW6901V, available for $88.68. It's iconic for its round design and has a bit of a retro vibe. If you're after something classic yet functional, this could be your go-to. This watch is shock-resistant and features a water resistance of 200 meters, making it perfect for a variety of activities. The EL backlight with afterglow ensures you can check the time in the dark, and the flash alert feature is fantastic for alarms. Here's why this matters. If you often need reminders throughout your day, the DW6901V keeps you on track without fuss. However, some reviews mentioned that the strap can feel a bit cheap compared to the overall ruggedness of the watch. Here's the thing, while the strap might not be premium, it still holds up well during regular use, and you can always swap it out for something more durable if needed. This watch is perfect for you if you appreciate nostalgic designs and want something reliable for everyday wear. Skip this one if you're looking for a watch with advanced features, as it's more about classic style and practicality. For the price, it's a great deal. Now, if you're ready for something that combines style with a wealth of features, the last watch on our list is an interesting choice. Product number 5, GW6901. Finally, we have the Casio G-Shock GW6901, priced at $149.43. This is a sleek-looking watch that combines modern functionality with classic G-Shock toughness. If you want a watch that offers multiple features without sacrificing style, this is definitely worth considering. With a 41mm stainless steel case and a silicone band, it's both durable and comfortable. Plus, the LED backlight makes checking the time easy, even in low-light conditions. Here's why this matters. If you're someone who travels a lot or needs a reliable timepiece for various environments, this watch has you covered. However, some users reported that the watch can feel bulky on smaller wrists. Here's the thing, if you have larger wrists or don't mind a bit of heft, you'll appreciate the durability and features it brings to the table. This is perfect if you're looking for a stylish watch that doesn't compromise on functionality. Skip this model if you prefer something lightweight or less bulky. Given its features, it's a solid investment for anyone who needs a reliable watch. Now, let's wrap everything up. To recap, we've seen some fantastic options here. The DW5600UE1V for its simplicity, the GA2100 for a stylish yet tough design, the GWM5610U1 for its solar capabilities, the DW6901V for a classic look, and the GW6901 for a mix of style and functionality. On the other hand, I'd recommend avoiding the DW6901V if you're looking for advanced features, since it focuses more on a nostalgic design. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.